Hello students, today we will continue with our chapter Indices and Cube Root. Practice set 3.3. Now what is given in our book? 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16, implies 4 square is equal to 16. Also minus 4 square is equal to 16, which indicates that the number 16 has two square root, one positive and the other negative. So what do you mean by that, children? I'll show you over here in my book. 4 square is equal to 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, is equal to 16. Minus 4 square is equal to minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to 16. Minus and minus is what? Plus. Square root 16 is equal to 4. Square root 16 is equal to minus 4. Okay. Square root 16 is equal to 4. Square root 16 is equal to minus 4. That means every positive number has two square root. One is positive and other is negative. So every positive number has two square root. One positive and the other negative. Square root of 0 is 0. Now if we take 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 0 is also equal to 0. Now we will do cube and cube root. Okay. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of the number. For example, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 cube is equal to 216. Hence, 216 is the cube of 6. Okay, 216 is the cube of 6. Find the cube of 17. 17 cube. So we have to take 17 3 times. 17 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17. So we will get this 4913 after multiplying this 17 3 times. Now find the cube of minus 6. Now this I will show you in my book. Okay. Minus 6 cube is equal to minus 6 3 times you have to take. Multiply by minus 6, multiply by minus 6. 6 6 is what? 36. 36 multiplied by 6 is 6 6 are 36. Minus and minus is plus. Multiply by minus 6. Okay. So 36 multiplied by 6 is equal to 216. Plus and minus will give you minus. Okay. When plus and minus is there, it will give you minus. Find the cube of minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5 cube is equal to minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5. We have to take 3 times. Is equal to, now in the numerator there are 2's and in the denominator there are 5's. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is 125. So minus and minus is what? Plus. Plus and minus is what? Minus. Okay. Now find the cube of 1.2. 1.2 cube is equal to, we have to take 3 times. This also I will show you in my book. 1.2 cube is equal to 1.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 1.2. So when we multiply, what answer we will get? 1728. Now we have to put the decimal point because this is in decimal point. No. So point after decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1 number. So this is 1 number. Okay. 1. After decimal point, how many numbers are there? One number. After decimal point, how many numbers are there? One number. So 1, 2, 3. We have to add them. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point will come here. Okay. Now find the cube of 0.02. 0.02 cube is equal to 0.02 multiplied by 0.02 multiplied by 0.02. Now how to put decimal point after multiplying? After point, how many numbers are there? Two numbers, 1, 2. After decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2. After decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it will come decimal point. Now we will start with our practice set. Practice set 3.3. Find the cube root of the following numbers. So we have to find the cube root of following numbers. So first is 8000. Okay. To find the cube root of any numbers, we have to remove their factors. So we will do factorization method. Okay children, in a vertical form. And we'll write this 8000 inside. Now 0 is a even number. What are even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 is a even number. So we have to take 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Now again we got 0. So it is a even number. So 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Again we got 0 even number. So 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Again 0 is a even number. So we will take 2. 2 won't go in 1. So we have to take 2 digit. Na? So 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Again even 0 is a even number. So 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry this one here. 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros are 0. Now again 0 even number. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry this one here. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is a odd number. So we have to take 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Carry this 2 here. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 is a odd number. So we have to take 5. 5 5s are 25. Now what remain? 5. So we have to divide number by itself. So 5 1s are 5. Now these numbers are prime factors of 8000. Okay children. Now we will write this 8000 here. And we will write all these numbers here. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 2s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3. So multiply by 5. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now we have to make them groups of 3. So same number we have to form a group of 3. So we will take 2 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Same number. Okay. We have to make, this is one group. Now This is the second group, 1, 2, 3. Second group, and this is the third group of 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we will write this 8000 again is equal to, now this 2 we will write here, and 1, 2, 3. So 2 cube multiply by, again we will write this 2 here and put the bracket 1, 2, 3. So 3 here. So 2 cube multiply by, we will write this 5 here, put the bracket. How many 5s? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Okay. Now we will find, now we have to find the cube root. What is our question? Find the cube root of 8000. So we will write cube and we will put this radical sign and 8000 inside. Okay, cube root of 8000 is equal to, we will put this cube and we'll put this radical sign, we will extend this and we'll put all these numbers inside. Okay, multiply by 5 cube. Now we will put this, again this radical sign, and we'll put this number, cube root of 8000 is equal to, again we'll put this same radical sign and cube, and we will put all these numbers in one bracket. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5, and a big bracket we will put. So we'll take all these numbers in a big bracket. We'll remove the small bracket. Now here there is 3, 3, 3. So all these 3 we will put a common 3, okay, outside. Now cube root of 8000 is equal to, we have to cancel this cube root with cube, and we have to remove from the bracket out all these numbers. So we will remove 2, 2, 5. Okay, we removed from the bracket out. Now therefore cube root of 8000 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s is 20. Okay, so our final answer is cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. Now our second number is 729. In our book what it is given? 729. So we will write 729 here and the solution. Okay, we will solve this now. 729 is equal to, again we have to remove the factors of 729. So we will draw a line. Okay, now we will write the 729 inside. Now 9 is an odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 is an odd number. So we will take 3. 3 2s are 6. Carry 1 here. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now we got 3. So again it is a odd number. So 3 won't go in 2. So we have to take the double number, double digit. 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. So we got 81. So 1 is a odd number. Again we have to take 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. So carry this 2 here. 3 7s are 21. So 7 is an odd number. So we will take again 3. 3 9s are 27. So 9 is an odd number. So we will take 3. 3 3s are 9. Number by itself. 3 1s are 3. So our factorization is complete. We will write all these prime factors over here. These are prime factors of 729. So we will write it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we have to make them groups. Okay. So one group of 3 and one group of 3. So in one group there should be 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, one group, 1, 2, 3, one group. Now we will write this 729 here is equal to 3, will remove it out and put a bracket. How many times 3? 1, 2, 3. So 3 cube. Multiply by this 3 again will remove out. 1, 2, 3. So 3 we will write. Okay. So 3 cube. Now we have to find the cube root of 729. So we will write this cube and this radical sign 729 inside is equal to again cube and this radical sign, it is called a radical sign. Okay. And we will write the same, all these numbers inside this. So we will write like this, 3 cube multiply by 3 cube. Now again we will write 3 and this radical sign 729 is equal to again this cube and this radical sign 3 means cube, children, and this we will remove this small bracket and put them into a big bracket. So 3 multiply by 3 and this big bracket. Now these are this 3 and 3, we will put a single 3 over here. Okay, one common 3. Now therefore again we will write this cube of 729 is equal to, now this and this cube root and cube will get cancelled and we have to remove them out from the bracket. Okay, this 3 multiplied by 3 we have to remove them out from the bracket. So cube root of 729 is equal to, therefore cube root of 729 is equal to 9. 3 3s is what? 9. Now let's do the next sum, that is third one. Okay, a third sum is what, children? 343. Now again we have to remove their factors. (343). Now 3 is a odd number, but 3 is going in all these numbers, that we have to see whether 3 is getting divided with all these numbers. So what we have to do, we have to add this 3 plus 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4 plus 3 and see whether 3 is getting divided by all these numbers. Okay, so 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so 3 is not going in 10 because in 3 times table 10 is not there. So we will take 5. In 5 time table 10 will come, but this is in the 3 is in the units place, and in 5 time table 3 is not there in the units place. All 5050 comes in the units place. So 3 won't go in 5 time table. So we will take the next number, that is 7. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 9 is how much? 63. This 3 is in units place and this 3 is also in the units place. So 7 is going in this number. Okay, so we will take 7. 7 4s are 28. Carry 6 here. So 7 9s are 63. Now 49 we got. 9 is a odd number. So 7 7s are 7, 7s are 49. And number by itself 7, a single number remain. No, so this is number by itself we have to divide. 7 1s are 7. Okay, children. You can even do division and check this. 343 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 6 remains and this 3 down. 7 9s are 63. Okay, you can do this also and find out. Now we have to find the cube root. Now we have to take these factors here. Okay, 343 is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now 343 is equal to 7. One group became 7 multiplied by 7, it became one group. So we will put 7 here and we will put 3. How many times 7? 3 times. 1 2 3. So 3. Now we have to find the cube root of 343. Our question is what? Find the cube root. So we will put cube and this radical sign 343 inside, and we will put this again cube and this radical sign and this number inside with the bracket and this cube. Okay, again this cube and radical sign 343. Cube root of 343 is equal to this cube root with cube gets cancelled. They are opposite each other, so they get cancelled. Now what remains? We have to remove it out from the bracket, that is 7. So we removed it out from the bracket 7. So therefore our answer is cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Now we will do our next sum. Minus 512. Okay. Our fourth sum is minus 512 is equal to, again we have to do factorization. So we will remove their factors. Okay, now we will write this. Now children, you all have to remember this. We don't put minus sign over here. Okay, in this whole, while solving the whole sum, we won't put minus sign. We will put the minus sign in the end of the sum. Okay, so we will just write 512 without putting the minus sign. Now 2 is an even number, so we will take 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 2 won't go in 1. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so carry this 1 here. Sorry, 2 2s are 4. Carry this 1 here. 2 5s are 10. Carry this 1 here. 2 6 are 12. Now 6 is an even number. So again we will take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Cancel this 4. 1 carry here. 2 8s are 16. Now 8 is an even number. So we will take 2. 2 won't go in 1. We have to take double digit. That's both the numbers. 2 6 are 12. And 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 is an even number. Again 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 2 is an even number. So 2 1s are 2. Carry this 1 here. 2 6 are 12. Now again 6 is an even number. So 2 8s are 16. 8 is an even number. So 2 4s are 8. Now 2 2s are 4. Now number by itself we have to divide. So 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Now we have to write all these factors over here. So solution is equal solution. So we will write this solution over here. 512 is equal to how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 multiply by 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. Okay, 2's. Now we will make them into groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3, one group. 1, 2, 3, one group. 1, 2, 3, one group. Okay. Now we will write this 512 here, and we will write this 2 over here down. And how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 3 here. Multiply by again 2 down. Put them in the bracket. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3. So 3 here. Multiply by again 2 right here. Put them in the bracket. 3 here. So 2 cube and 2 cube. Now we have to find the cube root of 512. So cube root of 512 is equal to cube root. This way we have to extend the line and write all these numbers here. Okay. 2 cube multiply by 2 cube multiply by 2 cube. Now we will take this. Again we will write cube root of 512 is equal to, again put this cube root, extend this radical sign and bring all these numbers down. Okay, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. All these numbers we have to put them in one bracket, and this common 3, this 3 we will put only one common 3 over here. Okay. We will remove from all this small bracket and put them in the big bracket, and this 3 we will put only one 3, that is cube. Now cube of 512 is equal to this cube root, and this cube gets cancelled. So we have to remove these numbers out of the bracket. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Therefore, cube root of 512 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s is 8. Therefore, now in our answer it was minus 512. So we will put cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus 8. When here there is minus, even here it will come minus. Now we will do the next sum, the fifth sum. Okay, our fifth sum is what? Our fifth sum is minus 2744. Minus 2744. Now again we have to remove their factors. So we will make this three. Okay, now we will put this. Without putting the negative sign, we will put this number inside. 2744. Minus will come in the end of the sum. Okay. Now 4 is an even number. So we will take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Carry this here, 2 3s are 6, no? Carry this here, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is a even number, so 2 won't go in 1, so we have to take both these numbers. 2 6 are 12. Okay, carry this 1 here. 2 8s are 16. Carry this here 1. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is a even number, so 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Now children, we got 343. Now 343, in the 3 is a odd number. 3 is a odd number. But is this number getting divided by 343? Is 3 getting divided by this 343? We have to see that. So what we will do, we will write 3 plus 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So we will write, so 3 won't go in 10 because in 3 timetable 10 is not there. So we will take the next number, that is 5. In 5 10 will come, but in the 5 place, in the 5, this is 3 is in the units place, but in the 5 timetable, in the unit place, what we get? 5050. So 3 won't go in 5. So what we will take? We will take the next number, that is 7. So we will take 7, because 7 9s is what? 63. Okay. So 3 and 3 is in the units place. So 7 4s are 28. 6 carry here, 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Now solution, okay. 2744 is equal to, take all these numbers inside. So 2 multiply 2 1 2 3. How many 2s are there? 3. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. How many 7s are there? 1 2 3. So multiply by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Now 2744. We have to make the pair of 2 2. So one group, same numbers we have to take, children. Okay, so in one group there are same numbers of 2. 1 2 3. In one group there are 7 same numbers of 7. 1 2 3. So we have to, in one group there should be 3 numbers. Okay, now 2 we will write here, and how many times? 1 2 3. So 2 cube multiply by 7 right here. How many times? 3 times. 1 2 3. So 7 cube. Now we have to find the cube root of 2744. So cube root of 2744 is equal to cube you have to put, and this radical sign you have to extend and put all these numbers inside. Okay, so we put 2 cube multiply by 7 cube inside. Now again we will put this cube root of 2744 is equal to, now we will write the same thing. We will put here again cube and this radical sign, and we will bring these numbers here, okay, without this bracket, and put them in a big bracket. And this 3 and this 3 is separate written, so we will put it in the common. Okay, so this is, we will put for this bracket common 3. Now cube root of 2744 is equal to, this cube root with this cube, it will get cancelled. So, and you have to remove from the bracket out. So 2 multiply by 7. Therefore, cube root of 2744 is equal to 7 2s is what? 14. But in our answer, in our question, there is minus sign. So we have to write, therefore, cube root of minus 274 is equal to minus 14. So this is our final answer. Okay children? When here there is minus, even here it will come minus. Now we will do the next sum. Our next sum is 32,768. Our sixth sum, okay? $32,768. Again we have to do factorization to remove the factors of 32,768. So first we will remove their factors. So we will make this thing So we will write this number inside here, 32,768. 8 is a even number, so we will take 2. 2 ones are 2. Carry this here 1 because this is 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, carry here. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. So 4 is a even number. So we will take 2. 2 won't go in 1. So we have to take double. Okay, so double digit. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. Cancel this and put this number here. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 2 is a even number again. 2 4s are 8. 2 won't go in 1. So 2 zeros are 2. We will put 0 over here because 2 won't go in 1. So we will take this 19. So 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. Cancel here, put 1. 2 6 are 12. Now 6 is a even number again. 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0. 2 4s are 8. Carry this here. 2 8s are 16. Again even number. So 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now 4 is a even number. So 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. So let me see whether it is correct. 8140. Yes. So 2 2s are 4. Carry this one here. 2 5s are 10. Carry here. 2 6 are 12. Now 6 is a even number. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry this here. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again even number. So 2 1s are 2. Carry here. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is a even number. So 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. How many 2's are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will write these numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need how much? 15 2's. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have to form pairs now of 3. So one pair, 1, 2, 3. So one group of 2, 1, 2, 3. So one group of 2, 1, 2, 3. One group of 2, 1, 2, 3. One group of 2, 1, 2, 3. One group of 2. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups have become. Now will write this number here. 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. 32,768 is equal to, we will write this 2 here, this first number ka 2 here, and we'll put cube sign. Multiply by, again this 2 we will take here, put the bracket, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2 cube. Multiply by, again this 2 here, put the bracket, 1, 2, 3. So 2 cube. Now 1, 2, 3. So again multiply 2 and 3. Again multiply by 2, 1, 2, 3. So 3. So we got 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now again we have to find their cube root. So we will put this cube. We'll put this radical sign, 32,000 inside, 32,768 inside, and we will put again this cube radical sign. We will extend this line. We will put all these numbers inside. Okay. Multiply by 2 cube, multiply by 2 cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, multiply by 2 cube. Now again we will put this cube and this radical sign, 32,768. So cube root of 32,768 is equal to, again this cube and this radical sign, put all these numbers here, 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put all the numbers here, remove it from the small bracket. We removed it from the small bracket and put them in a big bracket. Okay, one big bracket we have to put all these numbers, and this 3 is for each bracket. So we will put common 3 over here. Now cube root of 32,768 is equal to, cube root cancel with cube and remove from the bracket out, because these are opposite, that's why we have to cancel, and remove from the bracket out this 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore cube root of 32,768 is equal to, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's is what? 32. So this is our final answer. Okay. So cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32. Now next sum is, children, simplify. Okay. Simplify. First sum is cube root of 27 upon 125. 125. Simplify. First sum is what, children? Cube root of 27 upon 125. Now we have to simplify this. Okay. First we used to remove cube root. Now we have to simplify this. Cube root 27 upon 125. Now for that, what we will do? We will write this solution over here. Cube root 27 upon 125 is equal to, we have to write them separate. Okay, so cube root of 27, put this line upon cube root of 125. Now we have to remove the factors of this number. Now children, how we got this? You remember this? Laws of indices. In the laws of indices, that formula was there: a upon b raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. The same thing we have to do. Okay, a raised to m upon b raised to m. So in the same rule we have to do this thing. Okay, cube root of 27 upon cube root of 125. Now we have to remove the factors of these numbers. So what we will do? We will draw one line here. Write 27 over here. Now 7 is a odd number, and which odd numbers, which is the first number? 3. So we will take 3. 3 9s are 27. Again 9 is an odd number, so 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So we will write cube root of 27. Sorry children, we will write here, okay, is equal to this cube root of 27 factor is what? 3 3 3. So we will write this 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 upon cube root of, now we have to remove the factor of 125. So we will take we will write 125. Now 5 timetable cut, we have to take 5 timetable. So 5 2s are 10, 2 remain, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So we will write this, all these numbers here. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to, now children, we have to write again this cube root, this radical sign, and this. How many times 3's are there? First we will write 3. How many times 3's are there? 1 2 3. So put the bracket and write this cube. Okay, 3 cube upon, again we will write cube root, and how many times 5? 1 2 3. So we will write 5 bracket and this 3. So 5 cube. Now children, we have to write this number, final answer. No? So cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to, this cube root will get cancelled with this cube, and this cube root will get cancelled with this cube. So what remained? 3. So we have to remove it out from the bracket. 3 upon 5. So therefore our answer, cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Now we will take the next sum. Our next sum is, children, number 2 is cube root of 16 upon 54. Number 2, cube root of 16 upon 54. So we will solution. We have to write this, okay? So we will write is equal to cube root 16 upon 54 is equal to, we will make them separate. 3, this way 16, cube root of 16 upon cube root of 54. Now we will remove their factors, okay? So first we will do this thing, okay? We will draw a line. You write 16 inside this. Six is a even number, so we will take 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are is 2. So we will write it over here, equal to cube root of 16 is what? What we got? 2 2 2 2. So how many times? 1 2 3 4. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Now we have to take cube root of 54. Four is a even number, so 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are is 4. Carry this one here. 2 7s are 14. So 7 is an odd number, so we have to take 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, now we will write all these factors inside. Cube root of 54 is 2. How many times 3? 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So now we have to make them pairs. Okay, so this is one pair, 2 2 2, same number, one pair, and we got here 2, and here same number, one pair, 3 3 3. So children, you all saw this 2 remained here and this 2 remained here. That shows what? See, this is one pair, okay, and this is one pair, 2 of one pair and 3 of one pair. So here 2 remained and even here 2 remain. That shows that 16 is not the cube of any number, and even 54 is not the cube of any number. That's why 2 remained over here, and here also 2 remained. We are not getting pairs of 2 and we are not getting pairs of this 2 also. So what we will do? Again we will write equal sign, cube root. We will put this pair inside 2, 1 2 3, multiply by this 2 remained. Okay, so we will write here, put a line, cube root. We will put this one pair. We won't put 2 first, we will put this pair. Okay, so 3 cube multiply by this 2. Now again equal sign, this cube root we will put, and this 2 cube multiply by 2. We have to remove from the bracket out first. So we removed from the bracket out. Then again cube root and this 3, remove it from the bracket out, multiply by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Okay, now what remained over here? We will again put this sign, this cube root. Now what remained over here? 2. Okay. Now what remained over here? 2 cube. And what remained over here? Cube root 3 cube. Okay. Now this cube root and this cube get cancelled. This cube root and this cube gets cancelled. So what remained over here now? 2 upon 3. So cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now children, we have to take the last sum, that is cube root of, if cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then cube root of 0.000729 is equal to how much? So that I will just write it down here. If cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then cube root of 0.000729 is equal to how much? Okay, this is the question mark. So we will write this over here. This is solution. We will write over here cube root 0.000, extend this line, 729 is equal to, now children, this is in the decimal fraction. We have to make it into simple fraction. Okay. So first we will write this number here, cube root and 729 upon. Now how many zeros are there, children, here? After decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to count like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will put here 1, we will put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to, now this is a big number. So which number is this? Let us see. This is in units place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So that means this is 10 lakhs. So we will write cube root. We have to divide them. We have to write separately. Okay. Cube root of 729 upon cube root of 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Okay. Is equal to, now this cube root of 729 is given for us. This is 9. It is given for us. So we will just write 9. But we don't know cube root of 10 lakhs. So what we will do, we will write all the zeros here. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, there is 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, 1 pair, here second pair and here third pair of 2 zeros. Okay, 1 pair, second pair and third pair. So we will just put 1 in front of them and multiply by 1, again multiply by 1. So this became 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100. So that means, so 10 lakh is equal to 100 multiply by 100 multiply by 100. That means 100, how many times? 3 times. So 100 cube. Therefore, cube root of 10 lakh is equal to 100. Therefore, cube root of 10 lakh is equal to 100. Okay. So now we have to put this number, because in the question it was given in a decimal fraction. So when we have to put this number into decimal fraction. So we will write what? We will write in the rough. Okay. This 9 upon 100. Here in the denominator, how many zeros are there? 2. 1, 2. In the numerator, how many numbers are there? Only one number. So here it is 2 zeros. So when here it has to be 2 numbers. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2 and this decimal point 0. So our answer is 0.09. This is our final answer. So cube root of 0.000729 is equal to 0.09. Children, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my video.